How to recover 8-ball pool account. Now, there are tons or multiple ways for you to be able to get your account back. The very important thing about doing this method is to ensure that either one of the 8-ball pool sister companies platforms out there is gonna be the account that you will be recovering. So as of 2025, the gear icon will not be visible on your dashboard. All you have to do is just to tap on your current profile. Now at the top right portion of your screen, just head out to the gear icon, which is going to be the settings. So this is what I'm talking about earlier. So ensure that the account that you will be recovering is either through Facebook, Google Play, Miniclip ID, and that's it. So say for example you have forgotten the account that you used to log in using your Facebook. All you have to do if you did not or you have not logged in through your Facebook account on your phone is just to access the any web browser that you have on your phone. And once you do have access it, all you have to do next is just heading directly to 8ballpool.com's official site, which is going to be here. Now at the top left portion of your screen, you should be able to see three lines. Tap on that. Now scroll all the way to the bottom and go to the Help tab. Scroll down once again and go to Get More Help. Now, as you can see, it was redirected to still on Miniclip. So what you're going to do here is just to input the email address that you remember or your player or unique ID as long as you still have those. Now these process will go directly to 8ballpool's customer support. You just have to wait for them for you to be able to have your account back. And that's basically it. Those are the things that you can do for you to be able to recover your 8-ball pool account.